So Tinubu is going to meet President Trump on Tuesday. I'm making this video in the late evening of Sunday, the 2nd day of November 2025. Now, I have taken my time to move around, check what is going on the Nigerian internet space. And I discovered the major problem that Nigeria have is their celebrities, their influencers. These are the major problem of Nigeria. Now, there is an issue in Nigeria. This issue is a fact-provoking issue. When I mean a fact-provoking issue, it's not an issue that someone will debate whether there is this or there is that, whether there is genocide or whether there is killing, whether there is a government-sponsored killing or not. These are not issues you should debate about. You know that these are true. Now, Nigerian celebrities, and influencers, if you listen to them, by next week, America will be bombing Nigeria. If you listen to them, what they are saying, most of them are saying is that Nigeria is a sovereign state, Nigeria is this, Nigeria is that. I am just laughing at them. Is it the intelligent you people said you are? There is an issue on ground. What you are supposed to be saying now is, how do we stop the killing? Whether you speak your grammar, see, Trump does not speak too much grammar. He talks and action follows what he said. I don't know whether he used to prepare for action first before he talks, but he doesn't listen to all this, you people are speaking too much grammar. You understand? Now, the issue here is simple. Nigeria is a state that is sponsoring terrorists. This is number one concern. This is number one concern. And that is the doubt of the United States that since Nigeria is sponsoring these terrorists, they can't, solve it. And that is true. The US have the evidence, the proofs that these are the government terror sponsor. The influencers that is typing rubbish on social media is not aware of this. The influencer that is typing rubbish is not aware of this. The United States have footages upon footages of Nigerian military meeting terrorists in different locations. They have it. You don't know this. You don't know this. They understand. See, by the way, before you get me wrong, on a normal note, no country is supposed to pray for foreign interventions. But, I am trying to say the truth out of this matter. The US have enough proof. And I want to warn you people. It is the Nigerians that went to America to go to the house of their lawmakers. They went there, they begged them 6 consecutive times. Nigerian bishops, so many of them went there. The videos are there on the website. Go and Google it. They went there to present facts that the Achilles government are not listening. If you have been with me on YouTube here, you will understand that I have been saying something like this for so many years. Let me say for the past 2 years now, okay? For the past 2 years, I have been hammering on this. Stop this killing. Stop sponsoring terrorism. Stop this, stop that. You people you imported terrorists into the country. As if that is not enough, you come to the national television to tell the whole world that you imported terrorists to remove an incumbent president. As in, I am looking at Nigerian influencers, I am smiling. You know why I'm laughing? Instead of them to focus on the issue, there is an issue on ground. You leave the issue on ground and you start focusing on another thing. What is that thing you are focusing? You are telling them that Nigeria is a sovereign state. Oh my goodness, Nigeria is a sovereign state? A sovereign state that some part of the land is ungoverned area. Terrorists are controlling part of your land. You are a sovereign state. You don't know. Okay. You don't know you are a sovereign state when you allow foreigners to invade your country. Send your citizens to IDP camp. Rename the community of your citizens. You are a sovereign state. Like your shame is shaming me. You people shame. Like, how do you think? What is the asterisk of measuring your mental ability? I don't know. There is an issue on ground. This issue is the issue of killing. It's everywhere. The Nigerian government, this APC government, imported these terrorists and they admitted they imported it. Now, the reason why I am talking like this is because I've already seen the end. Whether America intervened, America did not intervene. See, this thing is going to end up eating everybody. So, it's better America even intervene. That is the best thing. This thing is going to eat up everybody. In Delta State, many communities, including my communities, for some months they did not go to farm this year. These bandits, take over the farms. I mean, politicians imported these people. Address this issue. Why did Tinubu, your president, oversee a coalition that imported terrorists? Are you afraid to say that? They have admitted it. Do not be afraid to say it. They admitted they imported the terrorists. So why are you scared of it? This is the issue on ground. Admit. How do you solve this problem? You are there talking about a sovereign state. You see the problem. You see how the reason why Nigeria can never develop, the reason why Africa is stuck is because of the way we reason. We don't reason with our brain, we reason with our anus. This is not a cause or any other thing, no. That a nation, a country's political actors imported terrorists. Now, the terrorists are killing people. Then the people started shouting, help, 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 help. Nobody comes to their help. So they have to cry to another nation that they feel that the nation could help. And the nation is saying, we are coming to kill the terrorists, not to scatter your name, to kill the terrorists. Everybody is saying, no, but these terrorists have been there killing your people. These terrorists are still foreigners. These terrorists are still foreigners. You see the way Nigeria is. The influencers are playing one kind of game. They are trying to overshadow the citizens that are speaking. You are the one that made them influencer. I want you to know your power. Your influencers, I saw people from Benue crying. I saw people from Plateau State crying. That influencers are not saying the truth. That their communities are under siege. That they are renaming their community. They have changed their people to IDP camp. Nobody is speaking for them. I want you to know your power. You made these people influencer. They are overshadowing your voice with lies and propaganda. They are overshadowing your own voice with lies and propaganda. You know, these celebrities, they go from one hotel to the other. They don't experience this insecurity. They don't experience all these things. They move from one airport to the other. They can move from Abuja to France, to anywhere, to London. They will still come back to that Abuja. From there to hotel, from hotel to hotel, from hotel to their house Abuja. They don't know Nigeria. So these people don't know Nigeria. Under normal circumstances, you are not supposed to talk what you don't know. So these people don't know what they are talking about. So Tinubu is going to meet President Trump on Tuesday. So let's see what will transpire from that Tuesday. But the issue is this. Tinubu can't solve this problem of killing. Yeah, he can't solve it. For him to solve the problem of killing, he himself needs to go to jail. How can you oversee a coalition that deported terrorists? How? This is the prevailing issue. So all these issues need to be sorted out. How can you sort this issue out? You saw this agitation you are seeing that led to all this katakata crisis in Nigeria? The importation of these terrorists and all this Boko Haram giving ultimatum to people in the north that they should live within territory. These are the things that brought these agitations. All these influencers, they don't know anything. They jump into this issue. They don't know. Because they were not interested. They were after their business now. So they were doing their business. They just hear something, boom. Oh, this thing will affect my business. So they started fighting. You are fighting the wrong battle and in the wrong way. You are fighting the wrong battle in the wrong way. Last year, I was in Abuja to do the embark governance protest before we had a little big challenge with the police. And I was directed to go back to my state, in Delta State, to do the protest, of which I did the protest in Delta State during the embark governance protest. So after the protest, I understand that we travel a lot that time. And most of the places we travel to, they will tell us that once it's 5, 6 in the evening or 7, don't pass that road. You people should not follow that road to go back. In so many places in Nigeria. Why? They will tell you that bandits are on this road. And if it is in the afternoon, you are moving along this road, be careful, move fast. In this country. Oh goodness, you see. There is nothing you will do to stop all this. Now, these are the narrative these influencers want to bring to you. They want to bring to you a narrative that, say Trump has, designated Nigeria as a country of particular concern. What next now? Are the killings not still persisting? That is the narrative they want to put. See, these people don't value human beings. This is wickedness. This is wickedness. So, this is wickedness. What shall it profit you to say what you don't know about all these things going on in Nigeria? So, Some people will come out to say, Trump doesn't care anything about you. Oh, Tinubu cares? Tinubu that told them that he can't fight insecurity? So Tinubu cares about you? No, who cares about you? These people care about your oil, your gold, your natural resources. They don't care about you. They don't care about you. Anyway, a lot will unfold this week. Prepare. A lot will unfold. The meeting with Tinubu and Trump will not yield result. You hear it from me first. Because America has already made the move. The meeting between Tinubu and Trump will not yield result. It won't. Mark it somewhere. It won't yield result. Because Tinubu can't solve this problem of insecurity. He can't. There is an underlying issue. He can't solve this insecurity problem. There is an underlying issue. He knows how this insecurity problem started. Kunde Olawumi, who is the head of the Nigeria Defense Intelligence, he said the DSS, they are aware of this. The police are aware. Everybody knows who are killing you. Be wise. Don't listen to your celebrities. Listen to the head of Defense Intelligence Agency. Go and listen to Kunde Olawumi. Don't listen to all these your celebrities. So they want their money. They don't want you well. They don't want you well. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to these people. They don't want you well. Anyway, it is what it is. I will keep you updated. I'm Okochapi myself. I'm a conflict and insecurity reporter. I know what is going on in Nigeria. That is why I can come out here to tell you this is that. So, anticipate my next video. Thank you.